Hello everyone, let's continue and understand another important command which can be used to get the system information. Here we have the command, that is your uptime command. That's a very important command which tells you how long the computer has been running since its last reboot or power off. So uptime commands give a one-line display of the following information like the current time, how long the system has been running, how many users are currently logged on to your system, and also it provides the system load average for the past 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. So let me log in to my Linux box and will show you how we can use this command. It's very simple. You have to simplify the command uptime and you will get some information. The first one is your time. Here you can see that it is the time. The system is showing up and it is up from the last 41 minutes. And 3 users have been logged into my system and this is my average load. And here you can see that 3 times are there. The first one, second and third. So these are the average load which is going on your system, and these 3s within an interval of 1 minute. This is from the last 1 minute, this is from the last 5 minutes, and this is from the last 15 minutes. So this is good option we have, good command we can use, we can say that. And also we can use few options with that. Let me show you uptime -p. It will tell you exactly, give the information about the system has been up from how many times. So it is 42 minutes. And also you can use one more option, uptime -s here. So it will give you the time only, specify it display the time and date when the system has been running. And also if you want to get the version, so here you can use capital V. Okay, so let's move to the next command. So the next command is your free command. So free command is also a very important command. So with that command, free command, you can get the information about total amount of physical memory is available on your system. So how we can use that? It's very simple. You have to give the command free -m. So you will get the information of your memory which is running on your system. Here you can see that this is memory, and also you are getting this information about swap as well. So this is the total memory used, free, and here you can see that few more information is coming, that is shared, buffer, cache and available. So if you need to find out how much available memory on your system, then in that case you have to sum up this one plus this one and this one. So that would be your available. At the last you can say this is your free, right? So let's understand what is basically here. Here the first one is your total. So total means displays the total installed memory on your system. This one is the used one, display the used memory. This is the free unused memory, we can say that. This column is the shared means display the memory used by tempfs, like your shared memory, we can say that. Okay, and this is the buffer and cache. Buffer displays the memory used by kernel buffer, we can say that. And this is also cache. Cache means display the memory used by the page cache and all those informations, like you're getting using your /proc, and from proc also you're getting a lot of information. So they are keeping few information in the cache. With that cache information, your kernel is giving a lot of informations. So if you want to know your exact free memory on your system, then you need to add this one and this one. So whatever coming, if you add both, so that would be your free memory, we can say that. Okay, so basically 327 is the sum of buffer and cache. So this is a useful command which can be used to find out the memory running on your system. So here you can use few option. B you can add on, you can use K, you can use G, M, whatever. So accordingly you will get the information. G is for gigabyte, megabyte, kilobyte, bytes. Okay, let's move to the next command. Next command is also a very important command, the uname command. The uname command reports the basic information about the computer software and hardware. When you use without an option, uname reports the name but not the version. So if you want to know, let me show you uname. So it is showing Linux. Uname -a, it will give you the complete information. This is the kernel version. Okay, you can use -s also. So a lot of options we have with the uname. Simply use man. It prints the system information. If you are using A, print all the information in the order. Okay, print kernel. If you are using S option, N option, print the node information, node name, print the kernel release -r. So if you are simple firing this one, it will give you the kernel version. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to understand lots of new commands. So thanks for watching, and if you have time, please join with in the next lecture.